Alright guys, just a quick little video here explaining something that is probably going to be very clear to a lot of people, but if you're a bit of a FX Impact noob like I am, I've not really taken apart this gun or done anything to it. It's a stock standard gun, but if you ever run into this problem that I'll explain, that happens to these guns, it's a very common problem and it's a very easy fix. So this here, the Valvestem, I believe that is the correct term for it. I've been noticing when I was shooting the gun, I would get a puff of air come out from here, and the gun sounded quite a lot louder. Now, this happened for the last couple of months, and I just sort of thought maybe it was something that's just always happened and I never really noticed. But as I found, velocity had dropped off and the consistency had gone. Did a little bit of research, and yeah, obviously found out, as it is with most of these guns, it's an O-ring, isn't it? So there's an O-ring. You can't see it. It's just seals behind this the bottom of the valve stem here. I believe that's a term. If it's wrong, let me know. But you need to take off your scope, your top rail, take your barrel out. Obviously, make sure you degas the gun, and then in this is a little O-ring that I found. I'll put the picture in the video, but it deteriorated over time, and that was the cause of my problems. Replaced it, all fine, no puff of air or nothing. What I did do is get one of those shoot and see targets that you get the little pasty, little round black dots, and I put it over here, and I found that it blew off when I fired the gun. So after I replaced the O-ring, job done, all fine. Very simple, very quick to do. Bagnall and Kirkwood stock them in the UK. For anyone else, I don't know, but just thought I'd just do a quick little video here just to let anyone who might have been in a similar situation to myself. We're not all FX engineers, and we're not all going to be taking apart. Never take apart your whole impact. Never do that. But when it comes to this, it's very simple. Simple, very easy fix to get yourself back on song. But that's it. Got some videos coming soon. Going to do more with the Arkin and things, and get on the ferals again. Got a major problem with the feral pigeons. And I'm thinking about using the FX Crown this time on a very low power tune, maybe 15-20 foot-pounds inside sheds. That will be fine. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you soon.